Above the town of Svishtov, the hill has carried layers of history for thousands of years, from early settlement through the Roman period to the medieval fortress overlooking the Danube. But for visitors, the surviving ruins were fragmented and difficult to understand. For the Municipality of Svishtov, in collaboration with the Historical Museum, Tornado Studios created a complete heritage interpretation experience. We developed a 3D reconstruction of the medieval Kaleto Fortress, an educational animation that explains the historical importance of the site, and a PC-powered VR experience that allows visitors to step inside the reconstructed fortress and explore it in scale. Later, we transformed the same reconstruction into a large 3D printed and hand-painted physical model of the fortress and surrounding terrain. The result is a layered visitor experience inside the new Expo Center, combining animation, VR, and a museum-grade physical model. From ruins that were difficult to read, the fortress became history visitors can see, enter, and understand.